Hello guys, starting for the today trip. So actually these are two. This today is very special for day. So these are two is in these areas for look at these areas. So Indian cultural areas. So have a good and so look at this side for this only for coconut trees. And these are Indian forest wild areas are to running for train. So actually these are two very awesome places for Indian and cultural deepest areas is the good areas and just starting for today trip. So actually I invited all my friends, so this trip always starting looking for I invited all my friends along with my journey. Enjoy my journey. Don't forget to send this video to your friends and families. So actually this our video, our friends and families is the video for sharing. So look at the fourth today is the trip very specially for train. So actually these are two train. First bogie has an yellow color, so I have good color, and this are two engine is a very huge engine. That's and 55 km/h. This are power very powerful this engine, and this back to back engine is not a for and including. So actually these are two bogie has the wood bogie, that is the wooden bogie has in the decorating. So also is very good. So actually these are very scary for these are all are two bogies. So okay, running for so look at the four runners. Running has the good running for. This journey has fastest for some very beautiful places. So these are two and Indian headness areas. Look at these areas. Is the good area. Is the Indian cultural areas. All of this will come to running. It's a very beautiful places. Has to in but these are two very frequently areas in stations. Is the same area. So but so one these are not for fast passenger is the stop in either to in 50 km first one by two one by in station are archiving. So look at this train. This train is very scary, but this back bogie have only for this very scary. So this front bogie is the very good. And but this train can run very fast, and moreover the engine is the of this train is a very big engine. Actually these are to running for very fast in move to areas. So very captain for areas. Okay, these are two areas is the looking for places has to include the maintenance areas. But look at these areas also in two sides always that is very special for areas. Good areas always these are good in Indonesia. So these are two and the bogie has two goods and bogies. So actually just not for passengers is the supply into goods trains. So actually these are goods trains, but bogie has very scary for bogies. So actually these are two very oldest model for this modern model for this or oldest model for this are always in train bogies. cars coming fast. Very close to any places for this short and bridges has to. So actually these are very beautiful places, very goodness areas. So these are to not a for in cities is the forest wild areas. So actually these are to in this animal forest for forest. These are for this animal very following this my train. So actually look at this for this animals for actually these are monster, not a for animal. So look at these areas and very disturbed. So actually this was one time is where this incidents and not are repeating. So actually these are very carefully for running. Is the loading for very highly overloaded by bogies. So this way enjoying this video. So this friends, your friends and families is the video for share and subscribe supporting. So and moreover this video for your first time watching and subscribe this channel. Run fast. Yeah. My friends, this video watching this video, don't forget to supporting me. And my video is over. The train is became the get to the right places. So actually this is right places has to come. This has to one bridge are to in last finishing. Again tomorrow at the same time. Don't forget to support me. Okay. Good sleep. So actually for the video are editing. Breakdown. So actually this our train has to break down. That's the last finishing for last bridge open. Thank you for watching.